Meet all your watering needs with it. ATMOREA Retractable Garden Hose Reel. 9-mode sprayer. Meet all your watering needs with this versatile nozzle. Durable and leak resistant. Garden hose reel is made with a high-grade hybrid hose. Swivel bracket. 180-degree rotation capability. Multi-directional watering. Auto lock. Simply stretch the string hose. Retractable hose length. 20 meters. Auto rewind. Easily activate the automatic recovery mechanism. How to use retractable garden hose reel. Install. Drill holes according to the bracket hole position. Fix the bracket with screws. Install the hose reel on the bracket. Connect the faucet. Simply stretch the string hose to use. 9-mode sprayer. Start the fun of garden time. You can also clean your car at home. You deserve ATMOREA Retractable Garden Hose Reel.